if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment button.
Get some water. Where's their water?
Now, I've got cherry and
You want to do like a big bottle of the Caribbean one? It's got coconutty flavour.
Thank you.
Okay.
We got cherry and pink lemonade.
Cute. Oh, look at that. Cherry. What's that one? Cherry cider, look.
We've got that big one, Mom.
What, like that? Cherry? That's just
I don't know.
Is that cider?
Yeah. Papa the edge.
Yeah, look, we've got cherry cider.
Ooh.
Look.
Ooh.
I've got something lovely for you in the back of the car.
My bag might like that as well.
Cherry,
You like
yeah.
a fruit cider, don't you?
Cherry. I bought. I'll show you what I bought this time. Not free, you know, for. There, it was in Aldi, because it's not free. Well, I looked up, because you know we didn't keep it in the week, so you never got it. So it's scrapped.
What is this, Mom?
Toilet up.
You funny critter.
Oh, funny dog.
Okay, so no mouthing. No, it's what dogs do.
Which one?
No, it's, don't let a nip not bite.
That's all. I wouldn't know.
No. Because if she thinks it's okay, but she got something in her mouth.
You got something to eat?
She's got something in her mouth.
Yes, she hasn't.
Really? Millie, one here and one here.
Haha! Now what's happened? Ha ha ha!
Put her in the middle of it, Del. Put her in the middle of the shopping.
Millie!
Oh, she'll candy. She might be in the box, actually.
Billy, what are you doing in there? Dog in a box.
Balikbayanbox.
Put her in the middle there and ask them which one's going to have the dog.
Which one do you like here? Millie? Here, Millie.
Right,
Millie.
right on left.
Which one? Which one yours?
I'm deciding. Pasta? No, that's not the pasta. She said, I'm looking for dog biscuits, actually.
Okay, babe.
Baby, what's going first?
Can we go canned goods first?
Right, we'll put canned goods in there.
Yeah.
Right, I've just got to list what it is and how much it weighs. Well, no, because they're one.
No, it's alright. As long as it's what there's how many pieces, what items.
Okay.
They don't ask what is that.
Okay.
Well, are you packing now?
Where's that come from now? The dogs?
Just have a
Randomly.
Oh, right, Dylan, you pack. Because you can't write and pack and get straight for video.
Right.
Right, let's get this one here. Tell me what all you need. This one. To Ibak milk, is that alright? Yeah.
I would put full name just in case they want to be funny.
Ibak milk.
2 cans.
Alright. And then
Oh, baby.
we got rice pudding.
2 fruit cocktail there as well, baby.
Right, do you want me to write that down?
Got 2 fruit cocktail, yeah.
Right, 2 fruit cocktails. Okay. And then 2 tuna shells.
No.
1. Oh, can of 4.
4 pack.
And 4 packs. So 2 4-packs.
How many more rice pudding or is it just 1, baby? Is what I'm trying to get at.
1 peanut butter.
2 cans corned beef. Beans. Or mackerel fillet. So it's actually two sardines and 2 mackerel fillets. That's all
And
right.
then
2 and 4 cans of
1 4-pack Oliver's beans.
1 jar. Okay. Okay.
Right, hang on. So we've got 2 mayonnaise.
2 bottles. No, they're not bottles. What do we call those? 2 squeezy bottles.
Yeah, squeezy bottles of mayonnaise. Sorry, I didn't realise you hadn't filmed it, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, babe. Don't have the celebrations. Oh, shall I put chocolate down there? And put those? Do you want me to? Alright. What cartons?
Cartons of passata.
Passata. Do you want this one, babe?
No, what is this one? I'll put my head in the box, mate.
Fajita.
Yeah, that can go in.
Fajita. Honey flakes. What is like? She said
Alright, 1 box of...
and this one.
No.
Right, 1 box of
1 box of strawberry crisp cereal. It's 2 savoury snacks.
Oh, dear.
Of pasta. Bags of white rice. Of fruit bake. Or fruit bakes.
And Milka.
Mince pies. Kit of spaghetti. One here, Mum, at the moment. I'm only going with what I've got here. 2 tubes of toothpaste.
Noodles. 3 noodle queen. 1 packet.
Of pink.
2 jelly babies. Yep. Okay.
Yeah, it's got a brush. 2 packets of... what do we call these?
3 chocolate coin strokes.
Yeah.
2 packet of 1 hot chocolate. What 4 packs? 2 packets. Suck it in. 2.
Oh, David, what are you doing? Get it. Hang on. Oh, lollies. Right, what have we got here? 2 cans of deodorant.
You bit me.
1 packet of malted milk biscuit.
Sultana and marshmallow. Okay.
1 pack of sultanas. Two packets of stock cube. Oh, sorry.
Stop with the video.
Okay.
Yeah.
Haribo sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 packet of Malwam sweets.
Right, I better grab this colour for me.
MAOAOM.
M-A.
OAM. Of chocolate chip shortbread.
1 box.
1 box, sorry, yeah. Boxes, Cadbury's.
Hardly toiletries.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 box of Ted.
That's one. And then games.
Yeah.
That one.
1 pack corn sponge art.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 pair Lonsdale trainers, size 8.5, just in case. Can you do the filming and I'll do the 8? 1 My First Words book. Okay, 2 children's books. Nuts. Uh, 2 packs of
I'm going to put that here, baby.
White t-shirt.
striped t-shirts.
Okay.
Right, baby.
Sandals. and-
Oh yeah. One
1 pair of these.
1 pair of V.
Lips and lipstick.
lip gloss and
One little, what's that? One box.
one.
The shoes cost me 30.
The dog just came out.
I know.
She's like, oh, it's
There. Okay. Print.
One Galaxy Honey.
Oh, is it M&M's?
Yeah.
Is it?
What's your name? Okay. And then this one. Box.
The other
One Eau de Toilette Yardley gift box. Don't put it that way round. There we go. Right.
So, I'll be right back, guys, kasi I have to write it down, all the items, that what I have here and what I'm going to put in the box. So, we'll see. And time check, it's still, I guess 5 o'clock here, and I hope matatapos ko to. I hope I'm going to finish all the, label the names and sort this out. I don't know how I'm going to start, but we'll see. Positive. Bye-bye. So, hello everyone. Ayan na po. Papasan ko na yan sa Pinas. Ito S6 na phone ko. Yan yung old phone ko. Tsaka, meron tayong dito tablet po. Ayan. Ayan siya. So, i-ano ko, mga old tablet ko lang po yan. Old tablet and old phones. Pero, maganda pa to sa Pinas. Ayan, bago pa po sila. I mean, old na po sila, pero handle with care. Ayan. Ito na po, nailagay ko na po yung phone at saka tablet. Old phones and old tablet ko ba. So yan, tas ito, nakalagay yan in bubble wrap na 4 times, and then dito din, i-bubble wrap ko din ito. And tsaka yung mga charger niya. Or po, siya. Yan, naka-bubble wrap na yan. Nandiyan na po yung phone. Pinalit ko po siya dyan para hindi siya mabasag. Ito po, ayan, magpapadala na po tayo ng LBC. Going to Philippines na. 2 large box. Ayan siya. Wala pang laman ito. Tapos dito may laman na. So, start na po tayo. Ito yung mga laman. Yan, mix na po yan dyan. Ito transfer ko na po yan doon. So, start na po tayo. Hello po. And yun. So, ito na po yung mga ano natin sa second box natin. So, these are the stuff that I'm going to put in our second box. And these are the list for the first box. As you can see, ang dami dito. Yan. It's specific po talaga yung pagka-list namin. Oh my god. This is 4 pages now. And yeah. So in the first box, we've got 4 pages of this. But it's not only that. We've got additional items as well to put in that first box, which is for Jamifil bags. And now I'm going to sort it out for Noel's bags. So these are the stuff I've already packed, because what I'm going to do is I have to put the same quantity, the same item, so walang lamangan, and it must be like, you know, level talaga sila, or pantay, ganon. So, hello guys, ayan na po, kumusta naman? Hindi ko po alam kung paano ko to gagawin ngayon. Ayan yung mga ipapadala natin sa Pinas. Meron tayo ditong sapatos, meron tayong pabango, meron tayong mga chocolates. Ayan, chocolate natin. Ayan. Hindi ko alam. Tapos guys, isusulat natin siya each item para may record din kayo. Okay? So, babalik ako mamaya. Yes, ma'am, I got all the video. Ayan, and list as well. I got this as well. This is for Noel. And so, hi guys, nakapamili na ako ng additional sa aking box. And ayun, ilalagay ko na mamaya. Okay, babalik ako. This is the additional, which is really big, which is really Francesca. This is for Somerville, and this is for Noel. So we got this is additional for our box. This box for Somerville box. So not only Somerville, but only for Somerville and Noel. So we've got here 2 sponge pink color, and we've got silver here 2, and this one 2 as well, and we got fajita 2, and 2 for the babies unicorn bag, and sea and soap 1 2 3 4. This is additional only because we've got 4 as well. This one, mom, right in the other bag. So, and 2 of this one, Dove, and chili con carne, additional, and 2 granola almond and raisins, and 4 vitamins. This is additional as well. Multivitamins and multivitamins and vitamins. We bought this one in Lidl's. And this one we have 1, 2 blue, and another 1, 2 of this, and 2 of this.
See it pink, so all in all 6 deodorant. Actually, mom, you can put there how many deodorant? 6. So it's yeah, just approximately. I have to do that as well. 2 can carding these, and 3 for Colgate. So this is additional as well. So 2 for Noel, 1 for, because Twitter has 1 kids only. They are only 4, and they are only 6. So this one is gravy, 4 gravy. Oh, just we got 4 gravy here. 1 chicken. Man, that's 4 here. That's 1, man. That's why they gonna wash it. That's 4 gravy and additional as well. Baked beans, 4 baked beans. So yeah, that's the additional ito. So that's it. Yeah, I think that will do.
Hello guys, so this is my LBC, and yeah, so I wrap it properly, that one. So I sealed it with cling film, so it's much safer. And then even though it's like
Millie, what's that? Look, Millie, look.
She's licking.
No, not quite like that. Oh, look, get her, look, yeah. She looks huge.